Now from here, let's go to shipping and delivery. We'll click on that on the left-hand side. Now, because we used Printify and we made sure that we synced our product details to Shopify when we created our products originally, we don't really have to worry about the shipping profiles. But if you do want to take a look at them, simply click on the Printify shipping profile here. You'll see our shipping profile from Monster Digital is available, with 72 products being included. We can click into this here, and we'll see our products that are included within our shipping profile. Again, this was all imported from Printify earlier. And scrolling down, you can see your shipping zones, how much they'll cost. And if you'd like, you can click on the 3 dots here to remove or edit a zone. I'd recommend that you leave this as is. One thing we will want to do though is scroll to the top and go back. And here under shipping, we have a general shipping rates profile. This is automatically created by Shopify, and we'll click into it here, and we'll simply remove these zones. Let's click on the 3 dots here, and then click on delete. And then for our international shipping zone, we'll do the exact same thing.